Before you leave, stay with me until the end of this prayer. What you're about to hear may be exactly what your heart needs right now. If it feels like nothing is changing, if you've been doing everything right and still see no progress, this moment is not accidental. Stay here. Breathe. God may be working in ways you cannot see yet. Change doesn't always announce itself. Sometimes God works quietly, beneath the surface, long before anything becomes visible. What feels like stillness may actually be movement you cannot yet perceive. Just because nothing looks different does not mean nothing is happening. You've been patient. You've kept believing. Yet days pass and the situation looks the same. It can make you question whether your prayers matter. You try to stay hopeful, but discouragement quietly settles in. God sees this struggle you carry inside. Part of you wants to keep trusting. Another part feels tired of hoping. This inner tension can feel heavy. But being weary does not cancel your faith. It simply means you've been strong for a long time. God is not disappointed in your weariness. Stay with me for a moment longer. Don't turn away just because answers haven't appeared yet. What God is forming in you right now matters more than immediate change. Allow this prayer to become a place of rest, not pressure. God often works in hidden ways. Roots grow before fruit appears. Strength develops before breakthrough comes. What feels like delay may be deep preparation. God is shaping character, resilience, and trust while you wait for visible change. God, I bring you my frustration and my questions. I admit that waiting without seeing change is difficult. I surrender my need to understand every step. I trust that you are working even when I cannot see it. Help me rest in your process. I release discouragement and the fear that nothing will ever change. I let go of comparison and impatience. I choose to trust that unseen work is still real work. My hope is not based on what I see, but on who you are. I declare that God is working on my behalf. I declare that my waiting is not wasted. I declare that even now, things are aligning for my good. What I cannot see today will make sense in time. God sees every silent prayer and every unseen tear. He knows how long you've been holding on. Nothing about your effort is unnoticed. Even when progress feels invisible, His hand is still guiding your life. You are not stuck. You are being prepared. Let peace settle into my heart. Calm my thoughts and steady my emotions. Help me trust you beyond what I can measure or explain. I choose peace over panic and faith over frustration. Even if nothing changes today, I trust you. I trust that you are faithful, consistent, and present. I move forward with quiet confidence, knowing that what you are doing now will bear fruit in time. Before you go, write in the comments, "I am blessed." And if you believe God is working even now, also write, "God is moving in my life." Let this declaration remind you that unseen work is still divine work.